So the goal today is to switch out from the stock pipe on the Miata to this Good-winRacing SuperStreet exhaust. This is what it comes as. It comes nicely packed in a large box, wrapped in inflatable foam. I thought the packaging job was excellent. Came in unharmed, and it looks much bigger in that box than it does here. First things first is to get the resident exhaust off. So it's got 4 exhaust hangers, 2 on each side, and then 2 bolts holding this on. The car has 17,700 miles, so I did not opt to change the little gasket puck in there, and I hope it's okay. Came off nice and easy. Took off the other bolt on the spring. That one, the stud came out. All right, so I'm gonna put another nut on here. Tighten that on. Get a 14. Try to get the stud out. Captured nut on the back side and put some heat on it. See if I can free that stud, because I need the stud for the next install. There we go. Heat is amazing. All right. And this is what we'll have: 2 springs, 2 bolts, studs, and we'll take all this and put it in the other exhaust pipe. All right, next, I got some exhaust pliers. Start by taking just one off on either side. It does make it really nice. There's one. There's 2. It would be nice to have a second person probably to do this, so I'm gonna grab somebody. Try to pull this hanger off. Okay, that hanger is off. Great tool. There we are. Big difference. Wow, kind of heavy. One thing I will not do is unwrap this until it's installed, because I don't want to touch it while it's cold, because my fingerprints will always be in it then. The exhaust gasket still looks good, and I didn't buy a new one, so we're using that one. Put some tire paste on these things, lube them up good. See if that helps. Slip them back in there. Oh yeah, way better. Right through. Okay, I'll put a little tire lube on this thing. Get in the hole there. And it's on. Now, bolt that back together. On this one, they actually threaded the pipe, which is amazing. Thanks, Goodwin. Didn't have captured nuts on it. They put threaded flange holes, which is really good engineering. Thank you. Springs. Wrong way. Try again. It's got the baffle inside of it, which you can take out for a little bit better sound. It's a 13 millimeter. Reach inside, pull it out. And you can see the difference. Just to make sure the pipe is clean before you start it up, so no fingerprints are on it and they burn into the pipe. So I'm gonna wipe it down with a little alcohol just to make sure that everything is nice and clean.